नमस्कार। तकदीर बनाने वाले, तूने कमी न की, अब किसको क्या मिला ये मुकद्दर की बात है। What does that mean in English? This video should be in English. Last time was in Hindi. So the God Almighty has given everything, but what someone receives is his destiny and his fate. So today, suddenly, that too on a weekday, not even on a before holiday, I'm forced to appear because I've committed. If there is some change, or if I feel that some communication needs to be given, I will definitely come. So from morning, looking at the market since yesterday, probably I've got hundreds of messages on YouTube, and a few, another probably 100 direct messages on Twitter and everything. And today being a weekday, yesterday also being a weekday, it was not possible for me to go through individual messages and reply, which I generally do over the weekend, because Saturday, Sunday is a holiday, so I generally do it. So the concern I have got, just by going through a little of the messages, I have understood the concern, so I am here to address the concern. When in the last video I have ever asked anyone to short the market? Please comment in this video what was the area from which minute to which minute I have asked to short the market. I talked about the psychology, a particular psychology of market, that market is going down and can go down further. I have specifically mentioned Monday, Tuesday again can go up, एक दो दिन ऊपर जा सकता है, एक दो दिन रिकवर कर सकता है, एंड उस झांसे में नहीं आना. These were my words. अगर गिरा तो उस झांसे में मत आना, that you go on adding positions or you buy the dip. Not for a single time I mentioned about shorting the market. And all the messages basically, even some messages using filthy language, are towards pain for shorting the market. If I say that I feel markets may go down, does that mean that I have asked you to short? People who are new, please go back. I have mentioned again and again, please go back and see my old videos. There was one particular video where I mentioned this market is not going to go down because of algos being there. Yesterday was a unique day. Since morning algos were there. Please look and see that video where I explained how to find whether the algos were there or not. Yesterday was a unique day. Today also was a unique day when the entire day algos were running on the buy side. So any person who have seen that video will never ever think of shorting this market. First. Second point. It was for the longs not to get trapped. Time and again I have mentioned that this year is a bullish year. The ATH is far off. All time high बनना अभी बाकी है. That shows my bias. Last video when people are complaining that I have asked them as if to short the market, I have given bullish calls on the PSU sector, PSU Bank and Maruti. Maruti was 7 days back. PSU Bank as a complete sector I called for bullishness. So does that mean that I was bearish? I asked you to sell. Those who have traded Maruti, those who have traded PSU banks, even yesterday to today, they must have earned. In fact, the PSU bank call was given in live market last week. So 7 days for last 7 trading sessions, if you see, you will see at least in some counters a gain of 10 to 15% like Bank of Baroda or something like that. So one side I am saying bullish, When I try to say in a subtle way, in kind of cryptic way, then I get comments that you are talking both sides. I have time and again said I am not here to spoon feed you. I can show you direction. Risk management is yours. Don't ever try to be smart and put your bias into my mouth. And this is a warning to everyone. It is your bias. Last video also, Saturday video, I covered in length about the bias and how people try to find comfort zone. So it was your bias that you wanted to short the market, and the moment you heard that okay, the market, I have a view that market may go for a trap, you went for a short, or you held the short, or you went all out. People who can blame me may be a small section of people who may have booked their profits in their longs and probably had notional loss. I don't know what kind of notional loss, but maybe notional loss as far as index is concerned, because script wise there is very limited, only a few scripts have moved, like Reliance. I've sounded bullishness on Reliance, and Reliance is 100 rupees up in last 3 days. So please don't blame me for shorting the market. This market is bullish for this year. I still, now don't get confused, my medium term outlook and my ATH outlook still remains the same. Yes, people, a few comments, people saying that Bank Nifty I have said 4-digit. Please go and listen and see that video again. I said I have a target of 42,000, but ultimately I have a vision that it will come to 4-digit. And obviously that entire details, my entire research, I'm not going to share it publicly. I've got a full research behind that. Why, how, when. Anyway, I'm not here to, fight with you. Last to last video also, I mentioned, when I talked about bearishness, I mentioned a line, "Ghume tab ghumna." Sell only when it looks like selling. My video came on Saturday. Yesterday, since the word go, there was not even a 5-minute candle or a 5-minute move or a 15-minute move in any Nifty, Bank Nifty, anywhere, which by any standard demanded shorts. Even booking, even profit booking, any smart trader would not have even booked profits, because generally the rule says to trail it. Yesterday we closed at 950, just a few points short. So there was no need for short, because 950, even people who are trying to put words into my mouth, let me then counter it. 900, 950, 950 के ऊपर हम ऊपर, 900 के नीचे हम नीचे, correct? So we were in that middle. So that also, if you are, exactly doing what I have been saying you, then also you are not supposed to be short. I'm telling you one problem. Since the fall of March 2020, people who are layman, people who has absolute no knowledge about this markets, they have earned good amount of money in this market in last 18 months. They are novice, they are new, they are long only, they just go here, listen, they buy, even if it is loss, they wait, the rates come, they book profits. And people who are layman, who are listening to me also probably are making good amount of money, because they must have bought Maruti, they must have bought PSU banks. Even if they were long, they may have booked profits, that's all. But people who are over smart must have gone one step ahead and shorted the market. Please look inside yourself, do your own Atma Chintan, and last video I said, it is very easy to put your own blame on someone's head. It won't bother to me, not to my subscribers, not to my family, this family, my YouTube family, my Twitter family. It will not bother anyone. It will, but it is definitely bothering you. And if I am concerned, I can only tell you and request you to learn what I am saying, or just be a no man, layman, novice. Just behave like a child as if you don't know, and just do what I am saying. Then also probably you will not be in loss, because you will understand the little hand holding which I am doing here. Or at least if you are not trading, you will at least learn 6 months down the line, 1 year down the line, you will be in a position to understand the market and trade the markets very well. You will understand the psychology. I don't want to continue, because once I start, I may go on and on. I want to keep this video a very short video. I still feel I will watch for another day tomorrow. 250 is the level. I am bullish. I am all on bullish. Definitely at this level, cautiously bullish, because one reading says that within May end we may see very low levels, and another reading says that June July we are surely going to see all-time high. So that is a surety, but this coming down is a probability. So it is to be handled very tactfully. It may come, it may not come. That cycle is a small cycle. Everyone knows, who have been listening to me, that is a grandson cycle. So that grandson cycle may actually be overruled by the father or the grandfather. So that grandfather and the father cycle, KTH is still pending. So that actually is a surety. But this fall is not a grandson cycle, it is a sun cycle. So that is why I said, if it comes, it can come a bit, harsh. And one needs to be just cautious. Just keep my view in mind, back of the mind, that if it starts falling, don't wait to act and react. Last video I mentioned, I just listened to the entire video, what I said and why this kind of outburst is coming to me. I just now, before recording this, I listened to my video so that I can pick the points where I went wrong. I use this word patience, and I use this word patience. Don't be patient, don't exercise patience on the wrong side. So even if you are short, then why are you remaining on the short side? This market is ruthless. I have told n number of times. I can't repeat all my thesis every time. ATG is pending, chop is going to end, घूमेगा तब घूमेगा, this, that, 900, 950, everyone started commenting, sir 900, 950 hai na, sir whether 900, 950 range is still there. Yes, all these are levels written on the wall and these stand. So every video I cannot repeat all the 6 months video in the same video and then talk for 5 minutes. If you want to understand me, go back and see for yourself. Then you will get a clear picture what I have been telling for so many days, so many weeks. And every video I say, at least, if not all, at least see 5, 7, 10 old videos, you will have a clear picture what I mean to say. Just don't watch one video and say I went short because you said market girega. I am not responsible. First of all, no one is responsible except you yourself. So please stop blaming others for your deeds. And as far as my other family, the larger family is concerned, the YouTube family, larger family, who understand me very well, they respect me. And I'm sure they have earned a lot, and that also please comment. Those who have earned, please comment. I will definitely watch all these comments on this video. People who have lost, why? Where did I mention you to short the market? Please comment. People who have earned, please put a note where I was right, which helped you to earn. People who, there may be a small portion of people who may have notional loss, they may have booked their longs early, come and please mention that you have booked yesterday, but Definitely, I won't expect that you will say, come and say that I booked in the opening gap up. Anyway, whatever you did, whatever comment you feel like is good, please do comment. I will wait for your comments on this, because this will give me further scope for improvement. Where I went wrong, which word actually gave an indication to you all to short the market, where I was not clear for PSU banks, where I was not clear for Maruti, and indirectly my bias about very bullish Bank Nifty and everything else. It really hurts, because I am here to help you, not to hurt you. But indirectly, I am getting hurt with your comments. Please comment. I will definitely see and improve myself. Namaskar.